So welcome back to my channel, and on this video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Edge that they released. They just show us a prototype the last time that they released S25 Ultra. So they just brought this phone, they show us the prototype, they just talked about it, and they went mute. We didn't hear anything about the phone for a very long time. So but now rumors have started surfacing, telling us what we should be expecting on this device. So the first thing we know is that this phone is going to be extremely thin, because according to what we saw on that day, the thickness is 5.84 millimeter and is going to weigh just 162 gram compared to S25 Ultra that weighed 218 gram. You can see the reduction in the weight size, and it's going to be a titanium frame and a ceramic back according to rumors. So the back is going to be ceramic and the frame is going to be titanium. Then the next thing is the display. According to what we saw on that day, the display is between 6.6 inches to 6.7 inches compared to S25 Ultra that is 6.9. So they are going to use, the processor is going to be Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Of course the S25 Ultra is also running on the same chipset. Then the RAM is going to be 12 gigabytes of RAM, and the same thing with 25 Ultra, because it's also 12 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, for the storage is going to be up to 512 gigabytes of storage, but in S25 Ultra it was up to 1 terabyte. So this is the down part to this device. Then another thing is about the camera. So in S25 we have the quad camera. Of course, we have the main camera, we have the ultra wide camera, we have the telephoto camera, and even the 5 times telephoto cameras. But on this device we are going to have only dual camera, which is only 2 camera. The main camera is going to be 200 megapixel main camera. Then the second of the camera, which is the ultra wide camera, is going to be the 12 megapixel sensor. Then for the front camera is going to be the same thing with that of S25 Ultra. Is going to be 12 megapixel lens, and the battery is going to be reduced. Maybe this is because of the thinness of that phone, which is what a lot of people are saying, but we have seen phones that are very thin and they have great batteries. But the battery of this one is going to be 3900 to 4000 milliamp hours of battery. So the charging is going to have 25 watts wireless charging and 15 is going to have 25 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging, which is almost the same thing with S25 Ultra, but S25 Ultra has 45 watts wired charging. So basically 25 Ultra is going to be charging faster than this Edge. The vapor chamber, the cooling system is going to be reduced, of course, due to the thinness of the phone. So it's not going to be like that of S25 Ultra. Then it's not going to support any S Pen. There will not be any S Pen support, and it's going to run on Android 15 One UI 7, which is still the same Android system that S25 Ultra is also running on. And according to the report we are getting, it's going to have a very good water and dust resistance, because it's going to come with IP68 rating. Another thing about this device is that the price is going to be far less than that of S25 Ultra, because according to rumors we heard that it's going to be in between $999 to $1,100. So that is all the reports that we have gotten on this device. And before I forget, the processor is going to be Snapdragon 8 Elite, just like that of S25 Ultra. So these are the reports that we have gotten to you about this phone. Please don't forget to hit that like button and comment where you are watching from. See you in my next video. Peace out.